lastimar, tanto al lastimar, horas por un lado, y que no falte un clavo, un vasito de vinito y a locos pa' tomar, con ganas de que me enchuques bien, la culpa de mi
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This channel is gonna be about my E92 BMW M55. It's pretty dirty right now, so in this video we're just gonna wash it and do like maintenance, like oil change. But the bumper's pretty messed up. The wheels are pretty bad. They're pretty curb rashed, all of them. So we might just try to fix them, like do a DIY, try to fix them. But for right now, try to fix them. I bought it with an intake, and I installed the catless downpipe. It doesn't have a tune yet though, so it just has an intake and a catless downpipe. I'm gonna go buy oil for it right now. This is my brother's 328. Probably gonna fix this one up too a little bit, or get something faster. There's the inside. The inside's alright. He has a muffler delete, a resonator delete. I think that's it. He has some wheels in the garage for it, but one of them is messed up. I think that's all he has done to it. It's here, cold start. The Burble's pretty nice. The Burble's louder than my 335. I don't know if I could do it. I'm gonna try to do it. Alright guys, so my brother already got started. Here's a downpipe me and my brother installed. It's a VRSF. Alright, for BMWs, what size is it? It's a 17? For the what is it called? The
drain plug.
Oh, the oil drain plug. It's a 17. Shout out to my brother and my dad for fucking up my intake. Trying to power wash it. Nah, he's getting me a new one though. It's all good. Do you think there's gonna be a problem if I put the old one back? Alright, so the oil's already drained. I spilled a lot. And the plug is back in. Time to take out the filter. Alright guys, we're going back to AutoZone because I forgot to buy an oil filter. But this is a good chance so you could hear my brother's 328 burble. I was trying to make a burble.
Yeah, I heard it when you were
And I couldn't feel like. Guys, I got the filter, I got a K&N filter for it. I'm gonna take the old one out and put it in the new one's bottom. It comes with these gaskets or whatever they're called, and there's like this metal washer. This metal washer goes to your drain plug. And this goes around right here where this red one at, and then the small one will obviously goes right here. Alright, so now I'm tightening the filter. I'll put a like microfiber cloth over it, and then use this tool to tighten it. I think there's a special tool that you can buy for it, but this seems to work fine. Alright guys, so in order to reset the oil mileage, you press and hold this right here. Okay, that's for my front brake pads. It's gonna be another video. And this is for my oil. And then you press and hold the BC button. It's gonna say reset, or if you press it once, it's gonna say reset. And then you press and hold it. And then reset it. I'm gonna do a startup. My brother already turned it on earlier, so I don't know if it's gonna be a cold start or not. But it's still pretty loud.
Aquí en las pipas, a las